Hello and welcome to Easy Learning Smart Learning. In the previous lecture, we understood how you can install JDK development kit. Now I will show you whether that setting in the previous lecture is working or not. So for that, firstly open the command prompt, go to C drive and directly type here java slash dash version. So if you are sure about this, that is showing the correct version which we have installed in the previous lecture or whatever you have installed on your computer system, so basically it will work on your computer system. So in today's lecture I will teach you how you can run your first program, and also I am going to explain you data types in Java. So let's begin with Notepad. For Java programs, we are not using any compiler or any tool for creating program automatically. We will type our first program manually so that you will learn properly the concept of this programming language. So for that you have to understand each and every line of code as a beginner so that you will be a professional later on. Let's begin. First we will define our class. So I am creating a name sample for our first program because this is our sample program. Open curly brackets and type here public static void main. So now I will explain you what are the meaning of each and every line. Okay, the first thing you have to understand is whenever you will create a Java program, you have to mention compulsorily a name of a class. What is this class? Actually it is a blueprint of our program. Secondly, you can say that with this name you will run your program directly by name. So whenever you will save this program, you have to save you can save this see this here, the path java jdk 15.0.1 and bin folder. I am saving this file as sample. Now why I am saving this file in name of sample? Because if you wish to run this, the name of the class and the name of the file should be same, otherwise it won't work. What is the meaning of this second line, public static void main? Okay, here we are opening our class and here we are closing our class. Now this public static void main and in brackets there is a string args. So in every program we have a main function also which works as a backbone of your program system, and each and every statements is included in this section only. So now here I am just writing system.out.println. You don't have to write println for just one line. You can just write also print only. Now what is this system? System is our, you can say, a computer system, a machine, an electronic device. What is this out? Out is the stream class which has a function called print, or you can say a method called print. So in a system we are getting output. What sort of output? We are getting output for printing. You can in the future lecture you will see the other methods of out also. Now here we are giving message hello Java. If you wish to write your name also, you can say hello Prakash or hello Vijay or whatever. So here I am just typing hello Java, and some people also type here hello world. So in the first program it doesn't matter what are you writing, you can say hello, how are you, whatever. So after each and every statement you should mention here a semicolon. Now what is this semicolon? It is actually the end of the statement. It actually terminates the statements in this particular section. If you wish to write more lines, you have to put a semicolon in each and every statement. And I will also give you more about more knowledge about the semicolon in the future lectures. So here we are closing our main brackets, main function section, and then after we have closed our class. Now I'm just closing this file and I'm going to compile this program on C drive. So here I'm typing Java C, and then after my file name is sample.java. So file not found is the message, because our file is located in as we know, it is located in some other folder. So let me enter to that folder. So what I'll do, I will firstly dir, then cd program files, space files. Thereafter again I will display the list of folders here. Here we have cd java, then cd bin, and if you cd dir cdjdk -15.0.1, then cd bin. So clears the screen. Now again I'm typing dir. It is giving a lots of file here, and you can see here we have created at 7:40. It's not 7:40 p.m. 7:41 p.m. and we have created this file on 7:40 p.m. named sample.java. So let's compile this file by typing java c and sample.java. So this file is now compiled. If you will type this command again dir, you will see now two files, sample.class and sample.java. So this is the binary file of our program. What is binary file? It is actually a machine readable form of our edited file, which is sample.java. Now if you wish to run this file, just type here java, then type here sample, then the output will be printed on your screen, which is hello world. So that's all for today. In this lecture I have just explained how you can create a sample program, your first program in Java programming, how you can compile it, and how you can run it. In the next lecture I will explain you what is a data type and what are the types of data type, primitive, non-primitive. I will cover each and every data type in much more detail. Thank you very much. See you on the next lecture.